Hello Mustangs, welcome to Mustang News episode 20. I'm Caroline.
And I'm Rory. To begin our episode, this week we are going to see a teacher profile, a Super Bowl story, and a Would You Rather questionnaire.
To conclude our episode, we're going to see the Mustang News Challenge, a curriculum corner, and a counselor appreciation story. And we can't even forget the weather.
Last week was Counselor Appreciation Week. You can see hearts around the school with short notes of gratitude to the counselors. Let's ask students what they appreciate about the counselors.
I appreciate the counselors because they help me change my schedule if I don't like class.
I like that they help every student in the school and are helpful.
I appreciate how helpful they are to me.
I appreciate how they listen to us and talk us through things.
What do you appreciate about the counselors?
I appreciate how helpful they are.
What do you appreciate about the counselors?
Well, first of all, my favorite number is 249, and Tanner, what's yours? 251. The counselors are nice and cool.
Yeah, and Miss Torres gives out Jolly Ranchers sometimes when you're being a good kid and stuff, and like when you answer a good question.
What do y'all appreciate about the counselors?
They appreciate your mental health.
And they also are super nice and very understanding.
The Super Bowl was this past Sunday.
We asked O'Henry students and teachers who they were rooting for.
The Super Bowl is one of the most prestigious football games in all of football. This year it is being held on February 13th at the SoFi Stadium in Los Angeles, California. The two teams that are rivaling against each other this year are the Los Angeles Rams and the Cincinnati Bengals. We asked O'Henry students who they're rooting for this Super Bowl Sunday.
I got the Bengals.
Bengals.
I'm cheering for the Bengals.
I don't know. I want to see the Rams play, so the Rams. I don't know.
Joe Burrow!
Yeah!
Joe Biden? I think the Rams.
Matthew Stafford!
Chiefs!
Woohoo! Who do you think will win this Super Bowl Sunday? Post-Super Bowl, the Rams won the last drive, sending the Bengals home with a loss.
Our 100 cheerleaders recently went to Disney World.
Let's see how it went.
It was really cool. It was such a great experience, and I loved all the rides. It was so fun.
It was really fun and really great. I had a lot of fun there, and all my friends were really nice to me.
It was super fun. I liked all the rides, but I did lose my voice.
It was really fun.
It was super fun, but I'm really, really tired.
It was really fun. It was really tiring, but we got the #1 score in O'Henry history.
It was a blast. I think we did really good.
Read any good books lately?
We asked O'Henry students if they have.
Let's ask the librarian and some other students to see what book they should recommend.
This is my favorite book. It's called Everything, Everything. It's by Nicole Yoon. I love this book because it's really dramatic and it's kind of like a romantic kind of thing. And yeah, and you should read it because it's very entertaining.
Book is The Best of Me by Nicholas Sparks. It is a romance novel and it just talks about a love story.
I would recommend Joseph Conrad's Heart of Darkness because it's a short story. It's like 90 pages and it is just chock full of beautiful prose.
My name is Yomi Adekoya. I teach special ed right now. I've been teaching for a while. I started teaching at a teacher's college and I taught animal nutrition. Then I did substitute teacher for 10 years and in O'Henry I've been here for almost 3 years. My advice for students is actually to pay attention to their teachers. The teachers are here to help, and if you can put that to mind, you will be successful in everything that you do.
If you could do anything other than teach, what would you do?
Actually, originally I wanted to be a doctor, and I then decided to go into animal science, and I got a degree in animal science, and before I came to teach. So if I will do any other thing, I would rather be a doctor or a veterinary doctor.
In this segment, I'm going to be asking O. Henry students what their favorite TV show or movie is.
SpongeBob.
My favorite movie is My Little Pony.
I'm a sucker for Scooby-Doo.
I like the SpongeBob movie.
My favorite TV show is Friends, and my favorite movie, no clue.
Most Road Trip.
Road Chip.
My favorite show is Dance Moms, and I don't have a favorite movie.
Probably Community.
My favorite TV show is The Office.
My favorite movie is Megamind.
Interstellar.
I like Gossip Girl.
Honestly, probably the Harry Potter series.
My favorite TV show is Dexter. My favorite movie? I don't have one.
I like the movie Moneyball.
I like the B movie.
And we cannot forget
the weather.
Good morning, O. Henry. Now, this is just a helpful reminder of some weather facts that hurricane season will be starting in about 3 months. They started early this year in around May and not June. Last year we had about 13 to 15 named storms, about 6 to 8 were hurricanes, but fewer were major hurricanes. Major hurricanes are categorized 3 and above. This year could also be an El Nino near, which means the Atlantic waters might be warmer, which we could see more and destructive hurricanes. And I like weather.
Have you ever heard of Wordle? Wordle is a game played widely across the U.S. Let's see what other people think of Wordle. What do you think of the game Wordle?
I really like Wordle. I play it a lot.
I like it because they actually say that people, once you hit about 45, 50, you start to lose some cognizant skills. I hope I'm saying that right. But I like it just so my mom and I can beat each other.
I think it's fun. I think it's like a good daily thing to like look forward to. If you're ever bored, you can do it.
I love it. It's fun. I play it every day.
Wordle is very fun.
My favorite number is 249.
And my favorite number is 251, so.
Cool. Like Wordle's fun.
Wordle is fun.
I like Wordle. It's a very fun game.
I think it's fun, but I'm really bad at it.
It's so fun.
It looks like people really enjoy playing Wordle.
Good morning, O. Henry, and I hope you had a great week. Now, last week I got it wrong. We did not have a cold front on Tuesday. We had a cold front on Saturday, and that brought something called grapple, which is snow that had ice that was formed by rain gathering on the snow crystals. That accumulated pretty widespread around the Austin area. But for today, we're going to have a high of 60 and a low of 34. Monday and Tuesday, we're going to have highs back up into the 80s. But then we're going to have another cold front come in on Wednesday, which is going to shrink temperatures back down to the 50s and 40s. Also, we'll have a significant rain chance, about 40 to 50% on Wednesday and about 30 to 40% on Thursday. Thursday, we're also going to get back into the 20s for lows, so we're just going to get cold again. So, I like weather.
Make it a great day to be an O. Henry Mustang.
Go.
Today, we decided to come have a brain break in the library, and we made a long domino line of books.
Wait.